How to find user ID on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply click on your name at the top, which will open your profile. In your profile, click on three dots, which is beside Edit Profile. In here, you'll find these options. Scroll down to your profile link, and after a slash, you will find your user ID of Facebook. You can also click on copy link and send link to people. This is how to find Facebook user ID. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.